Tomato Secrets Unveiled. Are you ready to elevate your plate? Listen up, you lot! We're about to dive into the world of a culinary rock star, a kitchen essential that's often underestimated, the bloody tomato. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This isn't some soggy side dish. We're talking about a flavor powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll send your taste buds soaring and your body thanking you. We're talking about lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. Lower cholesterol, reduced risk of heart disease, even protection from the sun. This little wonder does it all. Get ready to ditch those bland meals and discover the secrets of this culinary chameleon. We're about to unlock a world of flavor and nutrition that'll have you saying, "Tomatoes? Yes, chef." Nutritional powerhouse. Don't underestimate the tomato. First off, let's talk nutrition. Tomatoes are bursting with vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. And the best part? They're bloody low in calories. That's right, you can indulge in this flavor bomb without feeling guilty. We're talking about a guilt-free ticket to Flavor Town. So whether you're watching your weight or just want to fuel your body with the good stuff, tomatoes are your new best mate in the kitchen. Lycopene, the superhero hiding in your salad. Now let's talk about lycopene, the MVP of the tomato world. This powerful antioxidant is what gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. We're talking about a superhero in disguise. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, some cancers, and even age-related macular degeneration. It's like a force field against those nasty free radicals that can wreak havoc on your body. Chapter 3. A healthy heart starts on your plate. Listen, your ticker works hard for you, so show it some love with the power of tomatoes. The lycopene in tomatoes has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs your arteries. And it doesn't stop there. Tomatoes can also help keep your blood pressure in check, reducing your risk of stroke and other heart-related issues. So, ditch the processed junk and embrace the natural goodness of tomatoes for a heart that's as happy as a clam. Chapter 4. Turn back the clock with tomato power. Want to keep that youthful glow? Tomatoes are like a natural fountain of youth for your skin. The lycopene we've been raving about, it also helps protect your skin from sun damage, keeping wrinkles and age spots at bay. And if that wasn't enough, tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and elastic, so you can say goodbye to saggy skin and hello to a more youthful you. So ditch those expensive creams and masks and embrace the natural goodness of tomatoes for radiant, healthy skin. Chapter 5. From salads to sauces, tomatoes are the kitchen chameleon. Now let's talk about why tomatoes are a chef's best friend, their versatility. From fresh salads to savory sauces, soups, stews, and even desserts. You can roast them, grill them, blend them, or eat them raw. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavors and cuisines. Trust me, once you unlock the culinary potential of the tomato, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Outro tomatoes, your ticket to flavor and health. So there you have it. The tomato, a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary chameleon, and your secret weapon for a healthier, more flavorful life. We've talked about their incredible nutritional value, the power of lycopene, and their versatility in the kitchen. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Incorporate more tomatoes into your diet, experiment with different recipes, and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more culinary adventures, and share this newfound wisdom with your fellow food lovers.